that's how our daily candle looks right now. So definitely really bearish, not respecting the daily fair value gap right here. Dropping to the 50-minute chart, what we got is a high time frame fair value gap right here. So on the hourly chart, you can see, or the forward chart, that we definitely displaced through the bullish fair value gap right here and used it as support lower, so as resistance. So that definitely shows me that we are now in bearish conditions. But so dropping to the 50-minute chart, what was actually also important to me, or on the hourly chart, is actually the 1 hour fair value gap right here, which was actually a mistake, because this fair value gap right here shouldn't be important to us, because we are it's basically a low resistance higher time frame fair value gap, because we have a market maker buy model to the upside, which is definitely right here low resistance, and therefore we can expect that low resistance will appear to the downside as well. So that was definitely a mistake to mark it out. So, or maybe dropping to the 50-minute chart, right here we got London highs, which swept already the buy side liquidity right here, and we also traded into the higher time frame fair value gap. So therefore I expected if we are bearish, these highs to stay intact, and we also had like London lows right here, which were relatively equal to the hourly low right here. And we have also, which was really important to me, these equal New York Open kill zone lows. And dropping to the 1 minute chart, so basically what you can see right here is the fact that the opening traded higher and then we displaced lower, but we couldn't really find a valid entry in here, especially because we weren't in our time window, and that was to be expected, because I wouldn't have wanted actually NQ to trade higher with the opening. I wouldn't have felt comfortable or felt confident to take shorts, especially because we have the higher time frame gap right here. But we took out already the lows with the opening. And then right before the London lows, we traded higher, but I expected that this would be only a fake move higher, fake displacement basically, with low resistance, yes, but only to deliver basically opportunities to go short. So in that case, we have like a short-term run on stops right here. We traded into the midnight opening, respected that, broke lower aggressively, and right here we have a breakaway gap, which is really nice to see. We have like the bearish breaker right here. That would have been basically the perfect short right here, but I don't know why I didn't feel comfortable with it, or I don't know why I didn't took it, but yeah, that's just it. Targeting the London lows right here, I think it was due to the fact that I still had on the hourly bullish fair value gap. So, and in this case I was still looking for I don't know why, but especially with the daily chart, which was bullish lately, I was still looking for longs. I don't know really why, but maybe that's why I didn't trust it this much, because we almost traded to it, even though I was aware of the fact that we would probably just engineer liquidity right here. So I basically almost entered, but I didn't. And yeah, it is what it is. I really felt yeah, it really FOMO or really felt bad for missing out on this move right here. So that's really bad actually. But that's why I entered right here in longs. So after we closed above the inversion fair value gap, which is a mistake as already mentioned, because we don't really expect higher price movement once again, I think it's a bit of a mistake for me to overvalue the lower time frame, and I have to stick more to the daily bias, which was actually for me bearish, especially because of the lows right here and the equal London lows. But after we swapped this and traded into the hourly fair value gap, I kind of got neutral, and I still wanted like to get the market maker buy model because I failed it in lately so often. But yeah, we traded just lower, and you have seen the executions before. Yeah, nothing really much to say. The longs were just against the higher time frame. I shouldn't have taken the longs, especially because late in the move we wouldn't trade higher from here. So we also like respecting the hourly fair value gap right here and just trading lower. So yeah, nothing really much to say. Have to analyze more like the daily objective, the daily direction, or even the higher time frame direction, and definitely will take note to the fact that I won't take high time frame fair value gaps on my chart if you have like low resistance fair value gaps. So that's like low resistance delivery to the upside, and then you can expect, if we are in a market maker sell model, which is confirmed by trading below the high time frame fair value gap right here and respecting it, and then we trade away from it. So now we know we are trading in a market maker sell model, and then we can only look for shorts, and especially targeting significant sell side liquidity. So we have to trade into the balanced price range right here, at least to expect a retracement. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't know what else to say, so I think yeah, I will end it right here.